Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites: the correct GTAV build, an updated Fivem client, and the social club launcher signed in. Once done, run Fivem as administrator so permission issues don't block files. Make sure overlays like Discord and NVIDIA are off. They often inject DLLs that trigger errors. Then close Fivem and clear the cache folder in Fivem/application data/cache. Do not delete server.conf if you need saved settings. These quick steps eliminate most startup conflicts before deeper troubleshooting. Now you dig into diagnosis. Open Fivem logs and the client console to spot missing assets, failed resource loads, or permission-denied lines. If log entries reference corrupted or missing game files, verify integrity through Rockstar or reinstall affected packs. Game file mismatches cause many errors. Next, reinstall or repair Visual C++ 2015-2022 redistributables, NET runtime, and DirectX since runtime mismatches break client modules. Finally, test by launching Fivem after each change to finish narrow variables. Run a vanilla Fivem client connecting to a single official server to rule out server-side resources. Make sure your firewall and antivirus explicitly allow Fivem and GTA executables. Temporary disablement can confirm interference. If issues persist, perform a clean reinstall, uninstall Fivem, remove the cache and remaining Fivem folders, then reinstall from scratch. One key troubleshooting tip: if crashes continue, capture the crash dump and share the specific log lines with server admins or support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.